If you're dreaming of glaciers, whales, and untamed wilderness, an Alaska cruise should be at the top of your bucket list. Alaska offers one of the most spectacular cruise experiences in the world: dramatic landscapes, incredible wildlife, and a sense of adventure unlike anywhere else. But if you've never cruised Alaska before, you probably have questions. What's the best time to go? What should you pack? Which route should you choose? In this guide, I'm breaking down everything first-time Alaska cruises need to know so you can plan confidently and make the most of this once-in-a-lifetime journey. Why choose an Alaska cruise? Alaska is unlike any other cruise destination. While Caribbean cruises offer tropical beaches and Mediterranean cruises provide historic cities, Alaska delivers raw, untouched natural beauty. You'll sail past towering glaciers that have existed for thousands of years, watch humpback whales breach just feet from your ship, and witness bears fishing for salmon along pristine shorelines. Alaska cruises combine the comfort and convenience of cruising with true wilderness adventure. You wake up each morning to a new breathtaking landscape: snow-capped mountains, dense forests, crystal-clear fjords, all from the comfort of your ship. And because much of Alaska's coastline is inaccessible by road, cruising is often the best way to experience the state's most stunning destinations. When is the best time to cruise Alaska? Alaska's cruise season runs from late April through mid-September, but the experience varies significantly depending on when you go. Early season, May through early June, offers the best weather consistency with less rain and incredibly long daylight hours. In May, you'll experience over 17 hours of daylight, and by June, Alaska's famous midnight sun gives you nearly 20 hours of light. This extended daylight is perfect for wildlife viewing and photography. You'll also encounter fewer crowds in May, making it the least busy month of the season. Wildlife is highly active during early season, with humpback whales feeding intensely after migration and bears emerging from hibernation. Late season, late August through September, brings a completely different experience. This is when Alaska's rivers fill with spawning salmon, attracting bears in huge numbers. If seeing bears catch salmon is on your bucket list, late season is your time. The landscape transforms with autumn colors: golden yellows, deep oranges, and rich reds, creating stunning photography opportunities. Late season also offers the best pricing, with September cruises significantly less expensive than peak summer months. However, you'll trade savings for weather. Late season brings more rain, cooler temperatures, and shorter daylight hours. Peak season, July and early August, offers the warmest temperatures and the most activities, but it's also the most crowded and expensive time to cruise. For first-timers seeking a balance, late May or late August often provides the best combination of good weather, reasonable pricing, and manageable crowds. Inside Passage versus Gulf of Alaska routes. Alaska cruises follow two main routes, and understanding the difference is important. Inside Passage cruises are round-trip sailings, typically departing from Seattle or Vancouver. These cruises navigate protected waterways between islands and the mainland, offering calmer seas and more intimate views of Alaska's coastline. Inside Passage itineraries usually visit ports like Juneau, Skagway, Ketchikan, and include scenic cruising through areas like Glacier Bay or Tracy Arm Fjord. Because you return to the same port where you started, flights are simpler to arrange. Gulf of Alaska cruises are one-way sailings, typically traveling between Vancouver and Seward or Whittier near Anchorage. These cruises cover more distance and often include different ports than Inside Passage routes. Gulf of Alaska itineraries may visit College Fjord, Hubbard Glacier, and additional wilderness areas. The trade-off is that Gulf cruises can experience rougher seas in open water, and you'll need to arrange flights into one city and out of another. Many travelers choose Gulf cruises because they cover more territory and can be combined with land tours to Denali National Park. For first-timers, Inside Passage cruises are often recommended because the protected waters are gentler, the itineraries are more straightforward, and logistics are simpler. What to pack for an Alaska cruise? Packing for Alaska requires a different approach than tropical cruises. The weather is unpredictable, and you'll need to dress in layers. Even in summer, temperatures typically range from the 50s to low 60s Fahrenheit, with cooler mornings and evenings. A waterproof jacket is absolutely essential. Alaska receives frequent rain, and you'll want protection during shore excursions and deck viewing. Pack fleece layers or warm sweaters that you can add or remove as temperatures change throughout the day. Comfortable waterproof walking shoes are crucial for excursions that involve hiking, walking on wet docks, or exploring uneven terrain. Don't forget binoculars. Wildlife viewing is a highlight of Alaska cruises, and binoculars allow you to spot whales, bears, eagles, and seals from the ship's deck. A good camera with a zoom lens is also important for capturing those incredible moments. Bring a small backpack for shore excursions to carry layers, snacks, and water. And while Alaska isn't a beach destination, most ships still have pools and hot tubs, so pack a swimsuit for enjoying onboard amenities. One thing many first-timers forget, Alaska cruises often have 1 or 2 formal nights just like other cruises. Pack at least one dressier outfit for elegant dinners, even though the overall vibe is more casual than Caribbean or Mediterranean sailings. Wildlife viewing is one of the main reasons people cruise Alaska, and the experience rarely disappoints. Humpback whales are abundant throughout the season, and seeing them breach, tail slap, or feed is unforgettable. Orcas, sea otters, seals, and sea lions are commonly spotted along the route. Bald eagles are everywhere. Alaska has the highest concentration of bald eagles in the world. Bears can be seen from the ship occasionally, but shore excursions to bear viewing locations offer the best chances for close encounters. Glacier viewing is equally spectacular. When your ship approaches massive tidewater glaciers like those in Glacier Bay, the captain will slow down or stop, allowing everyone to witness the glacier's towering ice walls. If you're lucky, you'll see calving, when chunks of ice break off and crash into the water with thunderous sounds. It's a moment that takes your breath away. Spend time on deck during scenic cruising portions of your itinerary. These are times when the ship navigates particularly beautiful areas and you won't want to miss them. Why work with a travel advisor? Alaska cruises involve more planning considerations than typical cruises. Route selection, timing, excursion coordination, and sometimes land tour add-ons. Working with a travel advisor who specializes in Alaska cruises ensures you make the right choices for your interests and budget. We can recommend the best cruise line, secure early excursion bookings, and handle complex logistics like flights and pre-cruise hotels. Alaska is a destination that deserves to be experienced fully, and expert guidance makes all the difference between a good trip and an unforgettable adventure. Ready to plan your Alaska cruise? Call us at 755-721-5 or 4891 or visit vacationtouradvisor.com to schedule your complimentary consultation. Let's create your Alaska adventure together.